Standing tall in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty was brought to life by three visionaries: sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, engineer Gustave Eiffel, and French political thinker and abolitionist Édouard René de La Boulaye. Together, they shaped a global icon of freedom. In the harbor of New York City stands a colossal woman, her torch raised high, her gaze fixed upon the horizon. She is known around the world as the Statue of Liberty, a universal symbol of freedom, hope, and democracy. But her journey to these shores was as extraordinary as the ideal she represents. It all began in the 1860s, in the aftermath of the American Civil War. Across the Atlantic, a French professor and political thinker named Édouard René de La Boulaye dreamed of celebrating the enduring friendship between France and the United States and honoring the shared values of liberty and republican government. La Boulaye proposed a grand gift, a statue from the people of France to the people of the United States. And to bring this vision to life, he turned to a young, ambitious sculptor named Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi. Bartholdi imagined a towering figure, a robed woman representing liberty, enlightening the world, holding a torch in one hand and a tablet in the other, inscribed with the date of America's independence, July 4th, 1776. The French people rallied behind the idea, but building such a statue would not be easy or cheap. It would cost over $250,000, a staggering sum at the time. So began a nationwide fundraising campaign in France, fueled by public donations, lotteries, and theatrical benefits. Every coin, every franc mattered. By 1884, the statue was completed in Paris, constructed in copper sheets over a revolutionary iron framework designed by none other than Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower. Meanwhile, across the ocean, the Americans were tasked with building a pedestal to support the gift. But public interest and funding was slow to rise. Frustration mounted. That's when a fiery newspaper publisher, Joseph Pulitzer, stepped in. Through his paper, The New York World, he launched a powerful campaign calling on ordinary citizens to contribute, promising to print the name of every donor, no matter how small the amount. The response was overwhelming. More than 120,000 people donated. With their help, the pedestal was completed on Bedloe's Island, now known as Liberty Island. On October 28, 1886, the Statue of Liberty was unveiled before a crowd of thousands. President Grover Cleveland stood beneath her towering form and declared, "We will not forget that liberty has here made her home." She was more than a monument. She was a message. To the millions of immigrants who would pass her in the years to come, she was a promise.